Best mirrorless camera under $1,000. Are you looking for best mirrorless camera under $1,000? Or want to give your photography a cool upgrade? Then this video is for you. Let's check out these 5 best mirrorless cameras that are under $1,000. 1. Sony Alpha A6100. Features. Features world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds with real-time autofocus and object tracking. Real-time autofocus tracking provides real-time eye autofocus for human and animal. Natural-looking images with better color reproduction matches what you see in real life. Thanks to stunning image quality and speed based on technology, you can leave the hard work to the camera. 2. Fujifilm XD30. Features. Provides faster and more accurate autofocus performance than similar cameras. The new X processor 4 has a quad-core design, which make use of the 4 sensors' full potential. The Fujifilm can shoot continuously at up to 8.0 fps in full resolution when using the mechanical shutter. Compared to previous models, face and eye detection have had their accuracy and performance doubled. This makes handy when tracking subjects. 3. Canon EOS M6. Features. The EOS M6 camera blends high-quality optics with a compact, mirrorless design. Features a Digicade image processor, high-speed shooting and more features combined to capture sharp, inspiring images and videos easily. Never gonna miss the moment with high-speed continuous shooting mode during all the action. Dual-pixel autofocus with face tracking and eye detection provides fast and accurate autofocus. 4. Sony Alpha A6400. Features. Features AI that makes you ensure all objects can be captured with extreme accuracy and precision. Fast hybrid AF allows you to focus smoothly while recording movies. Comes with 180-degree fully tiltable LCD touchscreen for self-recording. Up to 11 fps continuous shooting at 24.2 MP that captures crisp and clear natural beauty. 5. Fujifilm XS10. Features. Features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system that gives you the freedom to go handheld and get right to the heart of the action. XS10 has been designed to provide on-the-go photographers with maximum control. Designed to be simple and minimalist on the outside, XS10 still enjoys Fujifilm's renowned image-making technology at its heart. Fujifilm has been producing photographic films for over 85 years and, in this time, it has developed a legendary reputation. Try these out and we can assure that these will surely help you maximize productivity in your photography work. Give us your views on these products in the comments section. We would love to hear your thoughts. Bye now. Links are in the description box below.